so we're gonna cut this template out, and then we're gonna drill the hole for the helm. And then put in the hydraulic helm. Okay, here we go. So here is the thing, and put it down. I'm gonna get a tape here, so we can start drilling the hole into here, the 4 holes. Thing we notice, this hole should, this adapter should go into the second hole on the tail rod, or this prodding tube. So it's very difficult to both ends. So now we're taking out the 2 ends and then trying to install this onto the second hole. Okay. Trying to drill the hydraulic pump. As you can see, what you need to do is the 4 holes you have to do sort of horizontal. You want to keep this pump head, this cover on top. So the helm should go in this way instead of, on the side, or whatever. So to keep it parallel. So I don't have this parallel, so I'm gonna have to remove this and then move this higher, or turn this a little bit like that, and then I'll be able to drill. So yeah? 什么? Okay, that's about right. Good. Nuts. Alright, that should be gone. And this guy should be gone too. And counterclockwise should be gone too. Holy cow. Okay, this is the tube. The tube that I have to connect. Hydraulic tube. So this is This one is the port, starboard. That's the port. Okay, so and it's all connected. So I'm gonna try to connect to the front, and this is the let it out. And the other thing is the tube. This adapter, pivot adapter, is actually hooked up to the second screw in the back, and you know, so you can see down, lock that down, lock this down, lock this down. Now the motor can turn according to this hydraulic. So now we're just trying to connect these tubes back to the front, the helm. Okay, so I'll come back in a sec. Okay, as you can see, these wires came with the protected cover, which is nice. But what's not nice is it's curl up like this, so it's very difficult to handle. You know, you can see it's very difficult to handle. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing now. You know, proven to be very difficult to handle. You know, so oh god. Yeah. So I'm hand tighten this line here. This is very difficult. You know, harder than I imagined. Almost tight. You know, hand tighten this. Okay. There you have it. This is the port side. Oh, that's it. That's tight enough. You can see this wire. It's very difficult to handle because it's wind up. You know, so it's very difficult to handle. And I decided to cut some axle out of here and then install this hydraulic tube. So I'm gonna probably cut it about here and then install this. Okay. So I'm cutting this now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm cutting the pipe now. Oh, this is very difficult to cut. It's proven to be very difficult. Anyway, I just use this to cut it instead of the other stuff. So now I'm just going to insert this in there and then tighten this knot to as tight as possible. But I think I just made a mistake because it's supposed to go through that hole. So here we go. Try to do this again. go through this hole here. So P here, S here. You can see here. This is the S, this is P. P and this is S. As you can see, this has a washer here, and the seal is underneath the washer. Seal is underneath the washer here. So you're supposed to keep hand tightening this thing down until this washer touch the metal here, so that the seal is completely pressed down, like the right hand side what I'm showing here. So this one is good to go, but this one is not. So now we have to get our lock nut tightened furthermore, you know. So what we are going to be doing is to use this guy here. Try to help. See, now it's tight. Same thing like here. Now this is not budging, so you know it's tight. Same thing with this. You can see that washer is pressing the seal all the way in now. So you're good, or I am good. Okay, because that's what stopped the hydraulic fluid coming out of this pump. Okay, so I'm gonna try doing this one more time so that it's as tight as possible. There you go. That's tight. You know, so this is the S, this is the P. And now the wire I just connected to this is coming from the port starboard side of the motor, and that's supposed to be hooking up to this P, to this port side here. Okay, so this is supposed to go into here like that, you know, and then like that. What I need to do is I need to push this black pipe in as much as possible, and then lock down this metal, bronze metal thread, you know, and there, it's not easy to do, you know, so I have to stop. So this is what I'm supposed to be doing, which is install the tube end, which is this, okay, complete with the swatch fitting and protective covering onto the proper steering cylinder tube fitting, which is on the other end, on the motor side. Holding fitting with a range tightened to 15 foot per pound. Route tubing to helm pump, which is here. Remove protective cover using a pipe cutter. Cut off excess tubing, and I just did. Slide tube nut over tubing, which is this tube nut, which is this bronze color, bronze nut, and push tubing into bottom of component fitting. Hand tighten tube nut while holding fitting with the range. Tighten tube nut to 12 foot pound. So that's what I did, you know, pushing this into there. This is going to be a problem because this tube does not want to stay inside there. So are we sure this is going to stay in there? See, I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure. And how, by tightening this,
Well, it does look like this kind of setting was screwed not this tube in there, and I'm just not 100% convinced. You know, probably this way. I'm just not 100% convinced, but anyway, probably this way, yeah. Yeah, you know, so this does look like a, you know, right direction to fit this hose, hose into the here, you know. So I push it down to the bottom of this thing, and then I'm just gonna hand tight. Hand tie this, and then eventually I'm gonna use the tool to tighten this. Okay, it's my tool. I think I have something better. Oh, I hope that's enough. Okay, I think that's tight enough. I don't think this tube is coming out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to